Yeah, welcome to another discourse on blogging issue. So today, basically, we'll be focusing on some key points on how you can actually make money using Adsterra. How I do it, I'm going to disclose some of this information to you in this video. So this video won't be giving you step-by-step process on how it is done. I'll only orally tell you what I do and the basic things I do that works out for me, and I'm able to generate at least $150 in 2 weeks using Adsterra. I'm going to also show you my Adsterra dashboard also, so that you can testify to what I'm saying. So you will know that this thing actually works if you know what you are doing. So as you know, my name now Timothy Sunday, and welcome to Blogging Issue. This group or this channel is all about blogging, how to make money and to use the best monetization format on your blog or website. So you're welcome. So if not the first time they come my channel, I beg, try as much as possible to subscribe. Yeah. So that more people like you can continue to gain more information when they drop any of my video from my site. Yeah, so now the focus of this is how you can make money using Adsterra. And as always, my video have been discussing traffic generation, using Facebook to generate your traffic, and then using any ad network of your choice to earn. If you look some of my previous videos, I talk about HB, talk about AdSense, talk about MG, and so many other ad networks. So today, the focus will be on Adsterra. Many people have been complaining about Adsterra that they are not doing so well, this and that and this. But some of their claim, they're true. Yes, some of their claim is very, very true. And I can testify to some of them. There are some ad formats you use for Adsterra, and then to remove your post as times goes on. So some format like the social bar and pop under, they are aggressive kind of ad types on Adsterra. So using it for a long time will prompt Facebook to start deleting your posts. It's very common with Adsterra. It is even common with money tag or propeller ad and some other aggressive ad of that sort that puts in pop-ups and pop under as part of the ad format. So if you are using Adsterra, you should be wary about this particular ad types, because along the way you will notice that your ads is being your post is been removing it from Facebook. That is the cause of it when you use social bar especially and pop under. So that is it. But when you are going for a banner like kind of ad type, you are 80% free from this kind of issue. Yes, because I basically use banners. Either I use the 300 by 250 banner on Adsterra, or the 300 or the native banner. Yeah, the native banner. Those are the major two I use on Adsterra. And my traffic is coming from Facebook. That is why you are seeing Facebook on my screen. That is why I actually push my traffic from Facebook using Facebook groups. Yes, it works like crazy. I can tell you that for a certainty. It works very well. The important thing is that you have to focus on a sport. Yeah, I focus on sport actually. On sports, a section of entertainment, sport. But I don't go for the common sports that people are always familiar with, especially football, which has one of the wide range of audience. I don't go for it. I go for other sports like golf, like American football, like boxing, like racing, and some other international sports that is mostly played by other countries and less of Africans is attached to it. So those are the kind of sports I focus on, because when you're talking about earnings with Adsterra, you need a good traffic source, and also you need a good traffic audience. So when your audience is coming from top countries, you can have a positive a positive outcome at the end of the day, that your earning will be making sense to you. So currently it is best for me to share my screen on Adsterra. So I use Adsterra for a period of 2 weeks. It's not even up to 2 weeks yet, and I've been able to earn something tangible. So along the way, I also have to stop the sending of traffic from Facebook groups to my site, so as to make sure that yes, I actually did this correctly. So when I'm doing this video to show you that you are watching this video right now, you'll be able to see that yes, I did say what is going to actually happen. So now this is it. This is actually my Adsterra dashboard. So I stopped this by on the 26th. You can see I stopped this on the 26th. I just started it back again today, just to show you that yes, you can get good CPM with Adsterra. You can get good CPM with Adsterra if you know what you are doing. So if you are doing things correctly, you will enjoy all of these things. So now the major focus is this. I want to show you the past 2 weeks. So the past 2 weeks mostly, because Adsterra normally pays on the 15th or 16th of a month. That is every 2 weeks that is when they normally pay. So now I started working on the 16th. Let me put it on the 16th. So current date is 29th, which is today's date. I'm going to use the filter here so as you know the average of what I was able to get under 2 weeks of working with Adsterra. So this is the process. This is the duration of 2 weeks. You can see 159 in total. So this is the date. You can see this. So let me go back to the beginning. This is 16th. You can see it's some days getting $22 $21, 31, 4, so on and so forth. The only bad thing about Adsterra is that it fluctuates a lot. But the moment you are getting good amounts of traffic and coming from a good country, let me show you where my traffic is coming from. Some of the countries, you know that they are top countries. You can see majorly Australia. You can see this, majorly Australia. Just from Australia, I'm able to make 119 from just Australia country, 35,000 impressions. You can see it. So it is a good one. It is a good one. Then I also have from other countries. Let me see some of the top countries. Okay, I have for Canada, which is a good one. But my major traffic region is Australia. As you can see here, it is Australia with the highest impression. It's Australia. So the moment you are able to get a good traffic location, you're on the right track and you can make money from it. Let me take you to my payout section. So you see I've already been placed on next payment. You can see this. So the one I did from 1st of this month, October, to 15th of October, this is the amount, $131 that is to be paid, and the payment is coming on, look at it, this is the invoice. My next payment is coming on the 1st, or so it is between the 1st of November to 4th of November. That is when I'm going to be paid, between 1st of November and 4th of November. I can see that I've even been given the next payment because I've already gotten to another threshold again. So I've been given on the 11th, on the 18th or 19th. That is when I'll be paid my next of same November. You can see this. So when you get to the threshold of $100 on Adsterra, you can earn. That is every 2 weeks. If you're able to get to your threshold every 2 weeks, you are going to have the luxury of being paid by Adsterra. And let me show you, let me go back again. So you will know that yes, my traffic is actually coming from Facebook. Yeah, let me check this. So it's actually coming from Facebook. That's it. Those are my top country. That is where my traffic is coming from Facebook. And many of them use different browser. Actually, they use different browser on their browsing, for their browsing rather. So that is how it is. You will enjoy all of these things when you start knowing how to generate traffic. Getting traffic not from any country. There are some countries that their CPM is poor. There are some that their CPM is very high. And the kind of device also matters when they are using to browse. It matters to Adsterra. You can see this. Some people using Edge, that is for Windows. You can see their CPM is 18. You can see this 18. Let's check. Okay, they seem to have the highest of CPM based on device. Yeah, no, based on browser rather. So all of these things, it matters to Adsterra. So the important point inside what I'm saying is make sure you are getting traffic from a good region. When you get continuous traffic from a good region and you are using Adsterra, you at a certain time, let's say 2 days, 3 days, your traffic will balance. Your CPM will balance and be able to earn something tangible. The first day might not be too good, the second day might be okay, and then you have more days that are okay than the ones that are not okay. That is how Adsterra works. I've been using Adsterra for a while, so that's why I can be able to tell you can earn money from Adsterra, you can get good CPM from Adsterra. Just get a good region where your traffic is coming from. You can start getting traffic from Facebook. It is very, very doable. That's what I've been using for some years now, and it is giving me back-to-back results. So the only bad thing about Facebook traffic is that the moment you stop, your traffic stop coming. That is it. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly share so that more people will be able to learn from it. I also teach how to generate traffic, and it is a good sum of money I charge people. So if you are not ready to pay, please don't bother. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number on this description of this video. So feel free to chat me up, but make sure that you are ready to pay to learn. I can answer some basic questions when you ask, but I don't do free training on a one-on-one session on my WhatsApp. Once you get to my WhatsApp, it is basically for transactional purpose. Yeah, I want you to know that. But if you need free information, it is always available here on my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for watching, and please like my video.